Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best kids' shoelaces is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for your little one's footwear, ensuring their shoes stay securely fastened throughout all their adventures, from playground escapades to school days, providing both safety and convenience for parents and children alike. Number 5. DELELE Flat Shoelaces. Introducing DELELE's Flat Shoelaces, designed for both durability and style. Perfect for your athletic running sneakers and boots. These 5/16 wide laces offer a secure and comfortable fit for a variety of athletic shoes. Ensure your sneakers stay put during any activity. Upgrade the appearance of your favorite running shoes with these sleek, flat laces. They provide a clean and modern aesthetic. Crafted with quality materials, these shoelaces are made to withstand daily wear and tear. Enjoy long-lasting performance for your boots and sneakers. Whether you're hitting the track or just on the go, these laces provide the reliability you need. They are an essential accessory for your athletic footwear. Lace up your shoes with ease thanks to their flat design. They stay tied securely, giving you peace of mind throughout your day. What we like? These laces are made from a durable material that can withstand a lot of wear and tear. If you are looking for laces that will last, these are a great option. They are also wide, which makes them a good choice for boots and other shoes that require a wider lace. What people say. These shoelaces are perfect for kids. They are easy to tie and stay tied throughout the day. The variety of colors available is great, allowing my child to choose their favorite. The material is durable and has held up well to daily wear and tear. Number 4. Handshop Flat Shoelaces. Introducing Handshop's Flat Shoelaces, designed for a sleek and modern look. They offer a comfortable fit and a stylish upgrade for your favorite footwear. With a versatile 5/16-inch width, these laces provide a secure and balanced fit for a wide range of shoes. They are designed to stay put, no matter your activity. Choose from an impressive selection of 20 vibrant colors to perfectly match your style or your sneakers. Express yourself with the perfect shade. Available in lengths from 36 to 72 inches, you'll find the ideal size for any shoe. Get the perfect length for a clean and tidy appearance. Crafted for durability and style, these shoelaces are built to last. They are the perfect accessory to refresh the look of your sneakers. Give your sneakers a fresh new look with these high-quality flat shoelaces. They are an easy and affordable way to personalize your footwear. What we like? With 20 color options and multiple lengths, these laces offer great versatility. If you want to customize your shoes or match them to your outfit, you'll love the variety. They are perfect for sneakers and casual shoes. What people say. The laces are durable and have held up well through multiple uses. These are great for kids as they are easy to tie and stay tied. The bright colors are a nice touch and make the shoes stand out. Number 3. VESONNY Elastic No-Tie Shoelaces. Tired of tying and retying your shoelaces? Our innovative no-tie laces feature a secure spring lock system, ensuring your shoes stay perfectly snug all day long. It's the ideal solution for everyone, from kids to seniors. Experience the convenience of slipping your shoes on and off effortlessly. These elastic laces provide a custom, comfortable fit, saving you precious time during busy mornings, workouts, or travels. Constructed from high-strength rubber and polyester, these laces are built to last. They can withstand your most demanding activities like running, hiking, and gym sessions without ever loosening. Enhance your safety during low-light conditions with integrated reflective threading. Whether you're running, cycling, or walking after dark, you'll be more visible to others. Our laces boast a universal design that fits virtually any shoe, from sneakers to boots. With adjustable length, you can easily trim them for a perfect fit on any shoe size, catering to all lifestyles. What we like? Tired of tying and retying your shoes? These no-tie laces are a game changer. The elastic design makes them easy to slip on and off, saving you time. If you need laces for kids, seniors, or anyone who wants convenience, or if you're a runner who needs extra visibility at night, these are the ones to get. What people say. These shoelaces are durable and have held up well through daily wear and tear. The design of these laces makes them easy for children to tie themselves, promoting independence. They come in a variety of vibrant colors that my kids love, adding a fun touch to their shoes. Number 2. Flat-colored shoelaces. Elevate your footwear with our collection of flat-colored shoelaces. Available in a wide array of vibrant hues, they're perfect for adding a personal touch to your favorite shoes. Crafted for durability and style, these shoelaces are designed to withstand daily wear and tear. They offer a comfortable fit and a sleek look for any occasion. Whether you're hitting the skate park, the gym, or just out and about, these laces provide a secure and stylish fit. They are ideal for sneakers, boots, and sports shoes alike. Don't settle for ordinary. Our colorful laces allow you to express your unique personality and make your shoes stand out from the crowd. It's time for a refresh. Easily update the look of your footwear with these versatile and eye-catching shoelaces. Get yours today and step out in style. What we like? Get a great value with 20 pairs of flat-colored shoelaces. If you need laces for multiple pairs of shoes or want to add some color to your footwear, this pack is ideal. They are suitable for sneakers, skate boots, and sports shoes. What people say? These shoelaces are very durable and have held up well to daily use. The design is simple yet effective, making it easy for kids to tie their shoes. They are made of a strong material that doesn't fray easily. Number 1. BB Brother Replacement Flat Athletic Shoelaces. Upgrade your footwear with these flat athletic shoelaces. They are designed for durability and a sleek look, perfect for any athletic shoe. Ensure your shoes stay securely on your feet during any activity. These laces provide a reliable and comfortable fit for all your athletic endeavors. Crafted from high-quality materials, these shoelaces are built to last. They resist wear and tear, keeping your shoes looking great. These versatile laces are suitable for a wide range of athletic shoes. They offer a practical solution for replacing old or worn-out laces. Get excellent value with this pack of 5 pairs of shoelaces. You'll have spares on hand, ensuring you're always ready to go. What we like? This pack offers 5 pairs of replacement flat athletic shoelaces. If you need durable laces specifically for your athletic shoes and want a reliable replacement option, these are a solid choice. They are designed to hold up during sports and intense activities. What people say? The laces are durable and have held up well through multiple washes. They are easy for my kids to tie themselves, which is a great feature for independence. The variety of colors available allowed us to match them perfectly with different pairs of shoes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.